Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode 5, Switch to BA series with Neha, we are going to see a topic called prompt engineering. In episode 3, we have covered what is ChatGPT and what is the role of ChatGPT in business analyst life. If you have missed the episode, I'll be sharing link in the comment section, in the description. Please go through the episode and then you can come in for this video. Then you will understand the importance of prompt engineering. If you want to grow in IT as a business analyst, product owner, product manager, product lead, or even content creator, then prompt engineering is must-have skill in 2026. First, let's understand what is meant by prompt engineering. So, prompt engineering is basically a skill set of designing input that is in terms of prompt in order to get all possible output from the AI. Now, here you can use ChatGPT as well. The accuracy and creative response depends upon how accurate prompt you are giving to AI. In simple terms, prompt engineering is how you ask questions to AI to get better response from AI. Now, why prompt engineering is important in 2026? Because artificial intelligence doesn't think like human. It responds based upon patterns. A small change in wording can give completely different response to you. Therefore, remember, good prompt is equal to better response, less editing, and faster productivity. Let's try to understand what is prompt engineering using real-time example. You can try using ChatGPT as well. Give prompt to ChatGPT, write about business analyst. And this will give you very generic output about business analyst. Now, instead of this, give detailed prompt to ChatGPT. For example, give a prompt, as a business analyst, write a LinkedIn post of 150 to 200 words explaining key responsibilities of business analyst in banking domain. Use simple language and 5 hashtags. Now go and check the output. The output will be highly relevant, plus it's ready to post. Therefore, prompt engineering is very important in 2026. You can write good prompt based on the below formula. Now, what is the formula? A good prompt should include role plus task plus context plus format plus constraint. Now, let's break it down. Role, it indicates who artificial intelligence should act as. Task, what artificial intelligence should do. Context, now here you need to give some background information to artificial intelligence. Format, output style. Constraints, give limitations what you are expecting, like tone of your particular output, word count. Most of the people find prompt engineering very difficult because of below reasons. First one, they write vacuum prompts which leads to multiple interpretation. Second one, they don't specify role. Third one, they don't specify format. Fourth point, they ask too many things at one go. Fifth point, they don't refine the outcome. These are the basic mistakes which we are doing currently. Remember, AI is most powerful tool and most helpful tool. You need to guide it correctly. Here are some prompt engineering pro tips for you. First one, always be specific what exactly output you want. Second one, use simple language. Third one, break tasks into small outcomes. Fourth point, never forget to experiment with your prompts. Fifth point, define output again and again. Treat AI like a conversation, normal conversation which we have amongst our friends, amongst our colleagues, and not one-time questionnaire. If you want to grow faster in today's IT world and stay ahead in your career, then start learning prompt engineering today itself. It will help you to grow in your organization. That's it for this video. Mention in the comment section what are your thoughts about prompt engineering. Do you want another detailed video on prompt engineering? If you have any questions, any doubts regarding prompt engineering or any other BA concepts, please feel free to connect me over LinkedIn or Instagram. That's it for this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.